Weezy out of here.
The dash a digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be.
Hey loves, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. As you guys can tell by the title and as you guys can see, I'm bringing you guys some new contacts. I'm basically going to be doing a contact try on haul. I have a bunch of contacts from TTDI. I literally just got this package in the mail. I'm going to be unboxing it and sharing everything inside with you and trying on the contact lenses myself. So if you want to see some new contacts, see me try some on, then just keep on watching. We'll link the lenses that I am trying on in this video down below in order. I'm also going to write the names of them and I'm going to leave the timestamp of when I try each of them on so everyone is completely clear, because I feel like in my other videos everyone was like so confused, like asking which lenses were which or whatever. So I'm gonna try to make it as clear as possible in this video. Be sure to check the description box down below for my Instagram, the links to all of these, any other discount codes or coupon codes I have with any companies, and anything else you need to know. Check the description box down below. I do look the same as my last video because I just filmed a thrift haul. So if you guys haven't seen that, I'll also link that down below for you guys to check out. But without further ado, let's just jump into it. So I'm gonna just start off by showing you everything that they sent over and then we'll get into the try on part. So I actually received 2 boxes from TTDI in the mail. I think their packaging is so cute. They're like these light pink boxes. On the back, it tells you like a bunch of information about wearing contacts, how to use them, everything like that. And I think that's so cute and helpful. And then the boxes just open like this. Now, this is the first box. I love like all of their packaging. It's so colorful, cute, and happy. They sent me over some contacts which came in these boxes. They sent me over some contact cases, and then they always include some extra goodies, so I think there's like some glitters in there and things like that. I'm gonna show you quickly the other box that they sent over. Did come differently. They sent different things in this box. There's like a mirror, some stickers, some more contact lenses, and some cases. So let's just get into all of the goodies now. Also in the bottom of the box, they give you a little bit of information about how you can save some money and some coupon codes. So that's really nice and cute. I just wanted to point that out as well. So the first thing they sent is one of these clear contact cases. It holds, I believe, 6 pairs of contacts if you do yours separately, where you put like one in one and the other in the other. And then it also comes with like a little thing where you can store some extra contact solution, the little applicator, and the little tool to pick up the lenses. But yeah, these are really nice when you have like a bunch and you want to be able to just like see the colors and pick them out. I have a few of these already and it makes it like really easy to store my contact lenses and to like look at all of them together and see which color I actually want to wear. So you guys can go ahead and purchase this on the website if you're someone who has a lot of contacts, if you're interested. But yeah, this is the first thing. They also sent 2 like normal travel contact cases. They're just pink and purple. And all of their contact cases, whenever they send them, come with like the applicator and the little like plastic tweezer to be able to like pick up the contact. They send over a bunch of face glitters in different colors, like makeup ones. They send a red one, 2 gold, some green, and some silver. So that's really nice and fun as well. And then they send 3 pairs of contacts in this box, but I'm just gonna go ahead and set those to the side and show you what they sent in the other box. They sent over 6 more travel individual contact cases. They sent this little cute card that just says sweetheart on it and has a cute little drawing. They sent some temporary tattoos, which are really cute and fun. And then with every order, as always, they sent a little compact mirror with them as well. And there were 5 pairs of contact lenses in this box. Like both left and right eye come in each box. So we're gonna go ahead and just start opening up the boxes and trying on the contact lenses now. So I'm just gonna open up and show you one box, but for the rest of them, I'm just gonna try on the lenses and come back to you on camera. But the boxes look like this. They're like iridescent. They say TTDI on them. And not always, but sometimes they'll have the little sticker which shows you the actual color of the contact lenses. But as you guys can see, some boxes don't come with that. So that's the only thing that's kind of annoying or difficult for me sometimes, is that I don't know exactly which contact lens these are. But that's just for me to be able to like link them for you guys, but obviously you guys are gonna know the contacts that you order, so I don't know if that will matter too much to you. And then it comes with like the left and the right inside, and they look like this. If you've never ordered contacts before or you've never used contacts, this is like standard. They come the left eye and the right eye individually packaged, and they come with like already in a little bit of contact solution, and it's clear, you can see it. On the front it says TTDI, and it'll tell you like if you have prescription or not. That is the thing too, with these contacts you can get non-prescription or the prescription ones of any of the contacts from TTDI, so do keep that in mind. But yeah guys, we're gonna go ahead and just jump right into the try on. So this is the first pair right here. I am gonna zoom in and show you guys what they look like up close, but I wanted to show you what it looks like from like about this distance away. I think these are so beautiful. I really love these, and I feel like they show up so well on dark brown eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in. So this is what these look like. I really love these. I think these are so flattering and look so nice. But on to pair number 2. Okay, this is pair number 2. These are so cool. They are these purple lenses, and I'm so obsessed with these. These are obviously more of like a fun fashion kind of style, but I do think they are really like flattering, and you honestly could wear these any day. There are so many cars driving by. I'll just wait patiently. Yeah, this is number 2. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in and show you guys what they look like up close. I think these are so beautiful, and I definitely think they're fun. They're such like a statement lens, and I'm really in love with these. Kind of like fade from like a lighter pink to like a darker purple on the outside, which I think is really cool as well. So this third pair I feel like isn't really suitable for dark colored eyes. I don't know if you guys can really notice a difference. It looks like it's supposed to be like, it's mostly clear, but then it has like a rainbow outer rim, and then it kind of has little speckles, like sparkles. I don't even know. I'm gonna zoom in and see if you guys can see what I'm talking about. So hopefully you can see a little better, but it's literally like a rainbow kind of like outer perimeter, and then these like white and light colored little dots that kind of look like sparkles. But I feel like they don't really show up that well on dark colored eyes, so maybe if you have like lighter eyes, these might work out a little better for you. Or if you're looking for something that's more subtle that you'd only really notice like up close, then these would probably be better for you as well. But they definitely are pretty and really cool. They're just like not really like an everyday wearable or like natural contact. They're more of like a fun kind of fashion and like stylized contact. But yeah, I think they are pretty cool. So moving on to pair number 4. So these are the 4th pair. They're similar to those pinkish purple ones that faded into purple, except these are blue and then they fade into purple on the outer like perimeter. They definitely show up on dark colored eyes. They're not like the brightest blue I've ever had or like the lightest, but they definitely show up on dark brown eyes, which is nice. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's literally like a blue ring, and then it fades to like purple on the outer rim, and I think these are really pretty. I feel like they're like a perfect mix between like wearable natural ones and like kind of stylish, cute, and like fun lenses, because obviously no one's eyes fade from blue to purple, but people do have blue eyes, so I feel like at first glance it's not really anything like shocking or crazy. But if you were like really close and you like looked into the lens, you could maybe notice like the ombre or the purple and see that element as well. So I really like these. I love that they show up so nice on my eyes, and I think they are super pretty and flattering. So this is the last pair that I'm gonna try on for you guys, because I decided that I'm actually gonna give away the last 3 pairs, but let's just get into these before we get into that. So these are basically like a yellow orange, and then they fade into like a purple again. These are kind of like sunset, that's what they remind me of, like sunset lenses. So I'm gonna zoom in and give you guys a closer look. So hopefully you guys can see, but they're literally like yellow orange in the center, and then they fade into like a pinkish purplish color at the outer kind of rim. These are so beautiful and super, super fun. I definitely love these. And I love how they show up on my eyes. I feel like they definitely show up, but they're not like too kind of dramatic and bright, but you're definitely seeing that I'm wearing contacts or that my eyes are colored, which is really, really cool. So I definitely love these as well. So they sent me 3 more pairs of contacts. So I'm actually gonna be giving away these last 3. I did not open them. I took them out of the box and I'm gonna show you guys like what they look like in here, but I'm gonna obviously put them back in their boxes. And I'll also be giving away some of the glitters, and I'll give away a contact case for each lens. There will be one winner. It'll be international, and all you guys have to do is be subscribed to my channel. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. If you don't have an Instagram, you're not disqualified. Just let me know in the comments, and just leave a comment letting me know that you guys want to be entered and how I can contact you, like whether that be via Instagram or email or something, just so that like when I pick the winner, I can contact you directly. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you quickly the last 3 pairs that they sent over. I'm also gonna insert like the photo on the screen so you can see a little bit better. But the first pair is actually really similar to the ones I'm wearing right now. They're like a yellow ring, and then they have purple on the outside. These are non-prescription, just so you guys know. But yeah, they look like this, and I'm gonna go ahead and put them back in the box now so you guys will have them like, you know, in their own packaging and everything. I just opened them all up and I realized that these last 3 pairs are similar to 3 that I've already tried on in this video. So I figured I already have so many contacts, I might as well not open these up or like use them or anything and just give them away to one of you guys. So the next pair are just these purple ones right here, basically clear, and then they just have like a purple kind of ombre rim around them. So these might not necessarily show up great on dark brown eyes. I don't know, because I didn't get to try them on for you, but they are really pretty, and I think they would look nice if you have lighter eyes already, just to add that purple color to like the outer ring. So that is pair number 2. And then the last pair are similar to those rainbow sparkly ones that I tried on. These are more rainbow. They're literally like just purple, blue, and pink. And then again, they have those like white little dots on them to kind of give just like that really dreamy, sparkly effect. So these are definitely super, super fun, and I hope you guys enjoy. And then like I mentioned, I'm also gonna send over 3 little cases so that you can store them in. And I'm gonna be giving away the green, the gold, and the red glitters as well. So I really hope you guys enjoy. Again, all you have to do is leave a comment down below letting me know that you guys want to enter, and then be sure to leave your Instagram or some way that I can contact you, and let me know if you don't have an Instagram and leave another way for me to contact you. Again, just be sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and your family and anyone that you think may enjoy some contacts. And the giveaway is going to last 3 days. So from the day that I post this video, exactly 3 days later, I will randomly select one winner and I'll contact them. I'll leave it in the comments pinned once I do select a winner to let you guys know who the winner is and to let you guys know that the giveaway has ended. But yeah guys, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Thank you TTDI for sending me over all of these goodies to share with you guys, and I'm so excited to be able to give back to you guys, to pick one lucky winner just to share some of these goodies with, because obviously it's such a blessing that, you know, companies send me things to share with you. So I do want to give back any way I can, so I'm really excited about that. Also, my back to school giveaway will be coming very soon. I know I'm a little bit late, but it will be up very soon if it's not already. So I will leave that link down below once the video is live. I love you guys so much. Good luck, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.